Hello. In today's video, I will show you how to pause or resume music on Apple Music. To do this, you have just to go to Apple Music, open the app, and after that, go to any song or playlist that you want, open it, and start playing the music on it. And after that, you have to click on the song that actually playing, and after that, to pause, you have just to click on the pause button in the middle of the screen like that, and like this you will pause playing the music, and to resume you have to click on that button again and it will resume playing. It's that simple. I hope that you like that video. If you like that video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.